Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we are doing a full face using cruelty free makeup. I went through my stash and I googled and I tried to look for as much information as I could and figured out what brands were cruelty free. I was actually surprised by a few of them that were cruelty free, and yeah, I just gathered everything up, sat down and filmed this look for you guys. Also, we are trying one brand that is new that I've never tried before, so I'm really excited about that. I hope you guys are excited. If you guys like content like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I post tons of makeup tutorials, drugstore videos, drugstore and high-end hauls, everything you can think, anything that is beauty related. I post tons of that on my channel. But yeah, you guys, with that said, there's not much that I can say, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you're relaxed and have your drink. Cheers to you guys. My coffee is pretty much gone. And yeah, let's just go ahead and start with today's full face of a cruelty-free makeup. Before jumping into the makeup tutorial, you guys, I quickly wanted to mention a brand that I am partnering up with today to bring you more cruelty-free and vegan products. I am talking about the brand Dossier. If you guys haven't heard about this brand, let me give you guys a little bit more information, because if you are a perfume lover like me, I have tons of perfumes there. And up in my room, I cannot get enough of perfumes. I love switching up the scents. So Dossier reproduces high-end luxury perfumes at a fraction of the price. This is what your perfume will come in. This is the box that you get. When you open it, right there, it shows you pretty much everything you need to know about the brand. They are made in France. It is a risk-free order. They are vegan and cruelty-free, and all their ingredients are totally clean. So you also get a little card which looks like this. What I really like about this brand is that it is totally risk-free. Let's say that you order something. For example, I ordered Fresh Floral 1, and the inspiration from this is Versace's Bright Crystal. Oh my gosh, you guys. I wish you can smell me right now. It literally smells like I'm wearing Versace's Bright Crystal. So again, when you get your box, you get your 50 ml perfume, and then you get a little sample, which is this one right here. If you want to try it before you actually open this one, just go ahead, pop off the lid, do a little spray test, smell it, wear it. If you love it, keep it, and if you don't, you have 30 days to send back the 50 ml perfume unsealed, no questions asked. But I'm telling you guys, you're not gonna want to return it, because these are like a match. Like, nobody will ever tell that you are not wearing Versace's Bright Crystal. If you love that perfume, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. But the other one that I personally I love this one so much. I had a bottle, and then my mom came around March and she fell in love with the scent. I was like, it's okay, you can take it. So this one is Floral 1, and the inspiration is Dolce & Gabbana's Lights Blue. You guys know that these luxury high-end perfumes retail from like $80 to $200 and plus bucks. They're definitely expensive. If you are a collector like me, I don't want to be dishing out hundreds and hundreds of dollars every few months just because I want a brand new perfume. Also, they do add new perfumes to their website all the time, so I would follow them on Instagram so you guys can stay updated on how often they're posting new scents. They also offer great deals if you guys actually want to buy in bulk. They give you a 25% discount plus free shipping if you order 3+ perfumes. These are only $29, you guys. You heard me right. For today's primer, I am taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Primer, I believe is what it's called. I always forget to use this one, but it is so good if you are oily skin. I wouldn't say that this is perfect for like super oily skin, but me that I'm a little bit more combination, it really does help me just stay smooth and a little bit matte throughout the day. I love how lightweight it is. It's not heavy. It doesn't sink into your pores, and it's not super silicone-y, which if you know anything about primers, like, If you're oily, silicone is a big no-no for us, but this one is perfect, you guys. Today's foundation is going to be a drugstore one, so we are going to use the Profusion Feel Good Skin Longwear Skin Perfector. I use medium 5 and tan 1. If you guys miss my full face or my full review / wear test, I will have it in the cards linked up here. But I already have it on my little face chart from LA Girl. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to buff it in with a brush first. I really like the application of this foundation with a brush. It goes on full coverage, beautiful satin finish. It is a, I don't know if I said this already, medium to full coverage, but it wears so nicely on the skin, you guys. Perfect for the winter time. I've actually been debating if I should go pick up a second or a third shade. Tons of you were telling me like, no, this one matches you perfectly, which I think you guys are right. I think it does actually match me really good. Can you guys see all my grades coming through already? Look at that. Guys, I am only 30 years old and honey, I have so many canas. Now that we got that laid down, we're going to go in with our concealer. This one is the ColourPop Stay Fresh or Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I have to say that this is probably one of my top drugstore concealers. There is just something about this that makes the under eyes look so refreshed. It feels really fresh on the skin. And it's medium to full coverage, which is what I prefer in my concealers. I don't care if I'm wearing a full coverage foundation, but this concealer is so good, you guys. It's like really, really, really good. If you guys haven't tried it, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. I also apply some on the chin. This just kind of balances out everywhere where we've highlighted. Next up is a product. This is actually brand new, you guys. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Honey. I have been using this for the last couple of days, and oh my gosh, I am obsessed with the color. So I'm going to show you guys. This is the shade Honey. As you can see, it has a hint of yellow, but it's not a banana shade. It's so beautiful. If you guys are not new to Laura Mercier, you have to be familiar with her famous translucent setting powder. That one is so bomb, you guys. There's something about this formula that really gets underneath the eyes and it makes everything look so nice and bright. It doesn't dry the under eye, you know, it doesn't look cakey. It doesn't sit heavy, anything. It's just so finely milled. I received this in PR a few weeks ago and I was getting tons of questions in my DMs asking me to review this product, and I'm sorry it's taken me this long, but I've had this like cruelty-free video planned out for so long. For our bronzer, I am taking a drugstore one. I wanted to mix high-end and drugstore, not use too many drugstore and not too many high-end because I do tend to use tons of drugstore here on my channel. So today's bronzer choice is the Soft Focus Finishing Powder by Black Radiance. Black Radiance can be found at Walmart, sorry. This is in the shade Creamy Bronze Finish. Literally, that is the color of it. It is such a creamy, silky bronzer, you guys. Oh my gosh. I always forget to like reuse this, and then every time I use it, I'm like, why do I not use you? And for my blush, I actually chose a brand that just recently hit Target. I haven't gone to my local Target, but I think I'm going to check sometime this week. Alamar Cosmetics recently announced that they are in tons of Targets. Usually my Targets suck, but I'm going to check it out for you guys, and if they do, I'm going to take you shopping with me, and maybe we can buy some new Alamar Cosmetics products together. But this is their Colorette Blush Trio in the shade Medium Tan. So to finish off the face, we're going to add a little bit of highlighter. So for that, I'm actually using a brand that I've never heard of before and had never tried. I recently got a PR package from this brand called Private Society Cosmetics. Their packaging is super cute. It really does give me Kat Von D vibes, where it's very like gothic-like. It has a cute little key here, and all of their packaging is like black with reflective gold. So when you open it, oh my gosh, I've swatched this and it swatches so beautiful. So we have a bunch of shades to choose from. I think I'm going to take a mix of Trophy Wife and Jackpot. But before we do that, I've been really enjoying setting down my skin with a setting spray and then going in with my highlighters. So for today's setting spray, I'm going to take the I Heart Revolution Watermelon Dewy Makeup Fixing Spray. And I'm going to... Ooh! That is so gorgeous, so pigmented. Oh my gosh. This is going to be my new go-to highlighter. I am curious to know if you guys prefer single highlighters or if you like them like this. Like, I prefer this because I feel like it gets me to play with the colors a little bit more instead of just sticking with one. Oh my gosh, these highlighters are beautiful. I just added a little bit of Champagne Showers and Star-Crossed just like right here, and it's really giving me that metallic wet skin-like look that I personally like in my highlighters. For today though, I want to play again with the RawBeautyKristi and Pure Cosmetics palette. I feel like I haven't done another tutorial. I only did one. If you guys want to see that, I will have it linked up here. But in that tutorial, I only used the colorful side of the palette, which, don't get me wrong, like, this was stunning. I love the colors here, but I really want to play with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids. So first things first, we are going to start off with the shade Mood Point. I'm going to go ahead and start that right where that socket is. If you guys don't have a defined socket, all you got to do is just tilt your head backwards and apply it where you naturally feel like your eyeball, literally. These eyeshadows, you guys, are incredibly creamy, very pigmented. They do have some kick up, but the pigmentation and the blendability is A1, so I don't mind it at all. I'm going to take this shade It Just Does, which is a gorgeous nectar. See, there I go, describing the eyeshadow. I have a habit of doing that. But this one, I'm going to throw it into the crease as well. I'm not sure where I'm going with this look, but I know I want to create a little more softer eye than I normally do. So this one's going to go right below Mood Point. But I'm really going to like try and mix them together at the same time. Let's see what kind of color combo we get. Before we go any further, I am going to go ahead and apply my brow bone color. I'm going to take my Whole Heart, which is the matte vanilla shade. Ow, I just hurt my wrist. And I'm going to apply some to the brow bone just to clean it up a bit, make the brow look a little bit more snatched. You guys know the routine. I am going to take You're Not My Real Dad, which is the deepest shade in the palette, and I'm going to apply it right here. Quickly going to switch to a wing out brush like this. I think I just got an idea for how I want to do my eyeshadow. And I'm going to draw a wing with the eyeshadow. I'm switching it up a bit. I never do this. I always do the same techniques. Now I'm going to switch to a flat brush. This is also by Alamar Cosmetics. And I gave it a little spritz with my I Heart Revolution setting spray. And I'm going to take the shade Golden Ticket, which is that golden shade. I haven't used this one, so I'm curious to see how pretty it is. I'm going to add some brown eyeliner into the waterline. I feel like it's really going to tie this brown wing. Poke Cosmetics is also a cruelty-free brand. And I'm just going to throw that into the waterline, you guys. This is so creamy. Do you guys see how it's just like, boom, gliding on? Then I'm going to go in with You're Not My Real Dad. I'm buffing that into the lower lash line. Last but not least, I'm taking Told You. Ooh, this is bringing out the brown in my eyes. Wow, this is perfect for brown eyes, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. So a quick little rundown on the products that I applied off camera. For my lashes, I went with my absolute favorite ones from the drugstore. These are the Eyelure Indulgence Foaming Lashes. They are foaming and they are cruelty free. I went ahead and used the ColourPop Volumizing BFF Mascara for my top and bottom lashes. And then for my lip, hello, she's wearing pink. Who is she? I took my NYX lip pencil, and this is in the shade Brown, which is one of my absolute favorites. If you guys missed my lip swatch video where I talk about my favorite go-to lip combos, nude lip combos, I will have it in the cards up here. And then for my liquid lipstick, I use the Cruelty lip lock in the shade Fade Out. So this is also a cruelty-free brand, and this lip lock liquid lipstick is absolutely gorgeous. That is it, you guys. What do you guys think of this full face using cruelty-free makeup? I absolutely love the way this turned out. I think it's very different in a way from my typical tutorials. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to check out Dossier. I will have all the information listed in the description box down below. And if you guys are interested in purchasing anything, I do have a 10% discount, and it's just Karina. It'll save you 10% off. So I hope you guys love this video. Again, give it a big thumbs up if you do. I will have more videos down here next to me so you guys can watch more of my older content. I hope you guys subscribe, and until next time, be safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!